There it is, everyone. Insta360's signature Marc Márquez Ace Pro 2 camera. Look at this thing. What a cool little box. Of course, Insta360 signed Marc Márquez earlier in the season, and he's a factory rider just like us. With Insta360, that's sick. Let's pull out this camera. I love these Ace Pro 2 action cameras. This is easily the most versatile action camera in existence. In addition to action camera duties, this camera also is my go-to do-it-all camera. It can almost replace a full-body camera in certain situations. It has such great flexibility and low light performance that this camera can literally you can get bangers with this camera, like big camera bangers with this thing. It shoots up to 8K and it shoots up to 120 frames per second in 4K. It's got this cool 2X linear crop feature, which gives you a simulated telephoto appearance. Of course, we have the Marc Márquez Edition camera. We have some nice sticky mounts that are really easy to use. Here is a cool chin mount. So this is going to be a chin mount that you can use on your motorcycle so you can capture first-person action camera footage on your sport bikes like we do now. And here's all of the charging apparatus you use. Inside, we've got a USB-C cable and some other gadgets and doodads that will allow us to run this. And it comes with two big batteries of high capacity. These batteries have a capacity of 1800 milliwatt hour. So pretty good capacity. And of course, you put the battery right here. Oh, 3 batteries. How cool is that? 3 batteries for the Ace Pro 2 Marc Márquez Edition. The form factor is a little bit more chunky than the GoPro, but it's very similar, and it has this cool flip out screen right here, which you can use to view yourself and do other things. Let's get this camera set up and get to recording, folks.